Hey everyone, it's Tanner. Before the video starts, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on those notifications, guys. Alright, enjoy the video. Alright everyone, who's ready to watch TV? Oh, I'm so ready, Bowser Jr. Yeah, let's watch TV. Guys, look out! Huh? Toad, watch out! Ow. Toad, what did you do that for? Oh, I'm sorry I bumped into you, Koopa. But anyways, guess who's here? Hold on, I'll tell you when we get back on the bed. Follow me. Redbird is here. Here he comes. Hi, I'm Redbird. What's your name? Oh, hey Redbird, nice to meet you. I'm Bowser Jr. Nice to meet you, Bowser Jr. This is my brother, Terrence. He doesn't talk very much, but can I watch TV? Sure.